So I'm going to go back that way, turn right, follow all that all the way up. So I need to turn right again. Stones. That's a good thing we stopped then, ain't it? Otherwise I would have been going the complete fucking wrong way. I believe that's the river Bladnoch. But we will have to see. Alright, looking like we are back onto the speedy side of life. Diddly-dee-dee-dee. Oh, definitely don't want to pull out. Nope, still can't pull out. Can now though. God damn it, just when things were getting good. Maybe I could just overtake all these. Well, that was a good blast. There's the sea. Nom 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 nom. Don't know why we're eating it. Glug 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 glug. That's better, but you don't want to be drinking salt water. So Port William is somewhere down there. It's going to be quite a ride. But then again, I've not actually done a huge ride like this for a very long time. I mean, I've done 30 miles. I normally don't do 30 miles when I go out for a ride because I commute on it all the time. You know, I'll get my fair share of riding doing that. Have a chilled ride around this shit. I think the last time I did this was on my 250. Maybe it was, maybe it wasn't. I can't really remember. But you know, you just want to take it slow, especially when that weighs, you know, certain depth and drone. Especially for the bike. We don't want that. Better to be safe than to be sorry. Isn't that right? So we're still recording. Let's have a quick check. We are still recording. I don't know how long I've been recording for, but this is going to be one long ass video. Might mash it up with some music in between, give it a bit of a cinematic feel, even though it's going to be very amateurly done. Fucking, there's Port William over there if you can see it. We're not far now. 10 minutes and we'll be home. Can I remember? I can remember how to get home. I can, yeah. Ah, there's another motorbike. Alright, well, if you've made it this far, well done to you. Thank you for watching. Yeah, it's the usual shit. Stay safe and I'll catch you next time. Cheerio, guys. There's a lot of codes asses for you. Cheerio. Thank you. Bye.